See, you notice when you do it, any kriya, meditation, any practice, after a long gap, you realize suddenly, oh, what have I been missing? Isn't it? Why have I been doing this? Somewhere sincerity is lacking. So we have to find out where is it. So Guruji says there are 6 signs for a seeker on this path. There are 6 signs. The first sign of the seeker is an acknowledgement from within, I know very little. And I know there is a lot to know. But I know very little. Some people are in ego, oh, I know it all. Such people cannot walk the spiritual path. Have you noticed? Yeah? Only a person who says, boss, there is something out there that I don't know. Yes? When that sincere acknowledgement is there within, I know very little, yeah? Then you start walking the spiritual path. You're ready to listen to a guru, a master. Right? We all went through that. That's how we came onto the path, no? Where we recognize there is something I do not know. So everybody has this sign? Yes? What is the second sign? After you come, then what happens? There is a willingness inside to learn. Yes? Then only can you progress, no? Yeah? I understand I know very little, but I am not willing to learn. Is there going to be any progress? Do you understand this? Yeah? I understand I know very little, my jnana is limited, and if I have a willingness to learn, I will progress faster on this path. Yes? What stops you from learning really? What stops you?
Ego.
Ego. I know it. अरे मुझे तो सब पता है. I have read everything. Yeah. Again, that can be an obstacle on my own path, my own ego. Right? We've all experienced this. Yeah. So a second essential quality is that willingness to learn. Do you all have it? Check, huh? This is a checking session. Yeah? अपने मन को टटोलो. Self-introspection is required right now. Do you have that willingness to learn? Or does your ego become an obstacle? अंदर प्यास है सीखने की कि आपका ईगो ही आपके रास्ते में एक बहुत बड़ी बाधा है. देखो, हाँ, खुद को टटोलो. This is the second sign. Third sign. Yeah? I understand, I know little, I am willing to learn. What is required? Huh? What is required?
Open mind.
If my mind is closed, nahi, aisa hi hai, it is like this only, this cannot be, then I will not learn, right? Yeah? This is called a closed mind. Yeah? And if I am judgmental, oh, does the guru know what he is saying? Finished. Am I going to learn? Judging. Does he know? Is he enlightened or not? Is this technique really good? This is all judging mind. Yeah? Doubting mind. Yeah? Then I have built walls around me. जब हमारा मन ही डाउट करता है, जज करता है, तो हम ही अपने ही रास्ते पे बाधा डालते हैं. करेक्ट है ना? जजमेंट समझते हो ना? ये सही है कि नहीं, गुरु सही है कि नहीं, गुरु को पता है कि नहीं, मन में शंका, इसको जजमेंट कहते हैं. Are you getting this? Yeah? Becoming open-minded is in my hands really. Yes? Can somebody else make me open-minded? It's in my head. I have become closed. I have to break this wall. Got it? So the third essential quality or sign is becoming open-minded and non-judgmental. Okay, I understand I know very little. I have the willingness to learn. I am open-minded and non-judgmental. Then what is the next obstacle possible on my path? Commitment ही नहीं है. Yeah, I am not committed only to the path. Yes, I am not committed to my own spiritual growth. By you coming here for Kriya, do I gain anything? I lose my morning sleep. I could be in bed. Do you see this? I lose my family time. See this, you are gaining by coming for Kriya. You are gaining by coming to the knowledge sessions. You are gaining by taking courses. Right? Yeah. But you only don't have commitment. Then obstacle on your own path. And a commitment to my own growth. मेरे ही spiritual progress में मेरी कितनी कमिटमेंट है कि मुझे ये करना ही है. और इज इट लुक वॉर्म या चलता है. संडे एंटरटेनमेंट, शाहरुख खान की पिक्चर देख ली, सेम क्रिया कर ली, स्पिरिचुअल एंटरटेनमेंट है. ऐसा है क्या? चेक करो, लुक विद इन. ऐसा है क्या? देन प्रोग्रेस इज गोइंग टू बी लुक वॉर्म. So you look within. This is a self-introspection exercise. Are you treating the spiritual path like spiritual entertainment? Or are you committed? Yeah? It is a commitment for your own spiritual growth. Nobody else will gain anything from it. Recognize this. You are the one to gain. You are the one to lose. That is why commitment is really required. Are you all committed? Yes? Then why don't I see all of you on Sundays? Even on July 4th weekend, even on a long weekend, we are here having Kriya. But you are gayab. कहाँ है commitment? Yes, commitment to my own spiritual growth. Otherwise, my only non-commitment becomes a badha. A big badha, समझते हो ना? It's a more profound word than using the word obstacle. Yeah, badha is like a dam. You have created it. My God, you have to break a dam now. Are you seeing this? So, your commitment will help you really move ahead. Your commitment to your growth. Nobody else is benefiting from it, just you. Yeah? Okay, I know very little, I understand. I am willing to learn. I have totally become open-minded, I am non-judgmental. Full faith in Gurudev, in this technique, on this spiritual path. I am committed. Am I one-pointed? What is one-pointed? Stop doing spiritual shopping. Yeah? If you dig 10 holes in the ground, are you going to touch water? In one only place, if you dig 10 times, will you touch water? Is the possibility higher than digging in 10 different places? Are you seeing what I am saying? Yes? One pointed focus. Pick one path. I am not saying pick art of living. Not at all. You can pick any path. Yeah? कोई भी ज्ञान चुनो, पर एक चुन के उसमें गहराई में जाओ. Go into the depth. Yeah? Pick any guru you want. Pick any path you want. Anything, and dig deep. Yes? आपको पानी अवश्य मिलेगा. You will definitely touch the water. Yes? In one direction. Start moving really one-pointed focus. ऐसे नहीं आज उधर चले गए, आज उधर चले गए, आज ये किया, आज वो किया, फिर नहीं होता है। बिकॉज द माइंड गेट स्कैटर्ड ना। माइंड को क्या चाहिए? फोकस चाहिए। आप डॉक्टर, इंजीनियरिंग जो भी किए, आर्किटेक्चर की, कैसे बने? एक दिन आर्किटेक्चर की क्लास में बैठे थे क्या? एक दिन इंजीनियरिंग की क्लास में बैठे थे क्या? एक मेडिकल क्लास में गए थे क्या? नहीं, एक चुन के उसी में ही 5 साल, 4-5 साल लगाए ना। You picked only one field and in that you worked for 3 or 4 or 5 years, right? That's how you got your degree. Do you understand what is one pointed focus? Picking one and going deep into it. And you pick any. I will never insist that you pick this path only. But pick something, darling. कहीं तो शुरू करो. Yes. वन पॉइंटेडनेस समझ आया? हिंदी में एकाग्रता, वन पॉइंटेडनेस। क्या? कमिटमेंट और वन पॉइंटेडनेस आ गया, मैं बहुत क्लियर हूँ कि यही मेरे को डिक करना है। फिर क्या आता है? अरे संडे मूवी जाते हैं, शाहरुख खान की न्यू मूवी रिलीज हुई है। व्हाट डिड यू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू? प्लेजर, है ना? यस, मूवी पे जाना है दोपहर को, तो सुबह काम करना है, चलो आज क्रिया छोड़ते हैं। यस, व्हाट हैव आई डन? आई हैव गिवन प्रायोरिटी टू प्लेजर ओवर माय ओन स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस। यस, always giving priority to my spiritual practice first, then everything else will fall into place. Yeah, what happens when I do kriya, I do meditation, I attend knowledge? What happens? I become calmer, I become relaxed, and then I can take care of 10 different things. But if I am only agitated, yeah, and I have so much priority giving to this pleasure and that pleasure and getting this work done and going out with family, but I am all agitated, I have not calmed my mind down, will I be able to do these 10 things properly? No. Are you noticing this? Yeah. So come what may, a commitment to my spiritual practice. Yes. जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ उस spiritual practice को number one above everything else. मेरा मन शांत है ना, तो मैं सबका मन शांत रख सकती हूँ या रख सकता हूँ। मेरा मन अशांत है ना, मैं एक शांत व्यक्ति को भी अशांत बना सकती हूँ। राइट? करेक्ट बात है? खुद के मन को पहले संभालो। टेक केयर ऑफ योर माइंड फर्स्ट। Priority to your own spiritual practice over all other pleasures. Yes? Can you take this commitment? Everybody? I don't see all hands up, huh? Yes? Yeah. Commitment to my own spiritual progress first. Above money, above family, above whatever other pleasures you run after, food. Yeah? Oh, I have to eat right now, but I have not done my kriya also. What do? चलो छोड़ो, क्रिया बाद में कर लेंगे, and let me eat, भूख लगी है। You see what we do? Yeah? I will give into sense of taste. Yeah? Similarly, I will give into sense of touch. Yeah? I give into sense of sight. Yeah? Somebody says we have to go and do this, we have to see this. No, but I have to do my kriya right now. I had already planned it. Yeah? That can wait half an hour. This is priority. But if I don't do that, every day I keep pushing my kriya out, I keep pushing my meditation out, I keep pushing my knowledge out. What happens? This starts becoming agitated. And then you say, पता नहीं लाइफ में स्ट्रेस क्यों है? I don't know why there is stress in my life. Boss, look at yourself. What are you doing? Are you seeing what I am saying? Yeah? Priority to my spiritual quest over pleasure. What is quest? Search. Huh? Don't you feel that I have everything? I have money, I have everything, I have kids, I have family, but still something is missing in life. Yes? This is called a spiritual quest. A natural spiritual quest. Yeah? So give priority to your spiritual quest over pleasure. Can you do that? Everybody. Last, I have all this, I have all these fantastic qualities. My practice is number one, but what is your main problem? Patience ही नहीं है. No, I want to get enlightened right now. I've been practicing for so many years, nothing has happened to me. Yes, people get impatient on this path. Have you noticed? Yes, a perseverance is required. Yes, come what may, I will keep practicing. Come what may, I will keep doing knowledge. Come what may, I will still keep meditating. Oh, nothing happens, my mind still keeps going here, there, I'm still worried, I'm lost in the world. Yeah? मन में स्थिरता नहीं आई है. I cannot be one-pointed. Even for 10 minutes I cannot sit and meditate. Yeah? Focus is lacking. What can I do? Yeah? Then see, go back. Something has gone wrong in from 1 to 5. Again and again check. Again and again check. Yes? And bring in patience. It takes some time. How much time did you give to your degrees? Not 5 years. बेटा ABCD से नर्सरी से लेके ग्रेजुएशन तक. How many years? 15, 16, 20 years some people. Are you seeing this? Yeah? So much time you gave, no? At least half of that time give to spiritual quest. Don't say I should get enlightened in a few months. I have just done the happiness program. I learned the Sudarshan Kriya. Bas, now I am enlightened. No. Give it time. Baby steps you have to take. Slowly you will get there. Yes. For that, intense immersion in knowledge is required. What knowledge? Knowledge of physics, chemistry, geography. What knowledge am I talking about?
Spiritual knowledge.
What is spiritual knowledge? Knowledge about my own mind, knowledge about my own emotions, how my mind works. Why doesn't listen to me when I say, oh, I am not going to get angry? What do I do in this situation? What do I do about my mind when it keeps getting sad and I don't want it to get sad, and I tell it, don't be sad, and it's still pulling me down? Aren't you interested in learning about your own mind? This is spirituality. Spirituality is not learning about gods. If you had this misconception, please drop it. Yeah? It is learning about my own mind. It is learning about my own emotions and how all this drama inside leads to drama outside. Yeah? Are you interested in taking that step to start learning?